Ready?
Ready.
Alright, so today we're gonna talk about Mother's Speed Play 2.0. See how good it does against a regular shop Claybar. Supposedly it's supposed to give us up to 20 vehicles. I've never done 20 vehicles with the regular Claybar. So let's see what it does. It's made out of a little bit of a sponge type. As you can see right there. Before you use the Claybar, you want to make sure that your vehicle is washed and dry. So let's go ahead and do that. This is a Claybar that we'll be comparing it to. Yeah, a little nervous, but it's okay. It's Monday, you know. Gotta get it going. But this is a regular shop Claybar that we'll be using, that I use all the time. And this is a new one that we will be reviewing on and seeing what it does to a black car or car in general. First things first, let's wash the car. You can see this is a very clay-like texture. This is just a spongy. It does have the little bumps on there, which allows you to remove any dirt. This doesn't have it, but this is a lot tougher. Even though this is a lot smoother, it should do about the same job, if not better. And this was just made out of a foam, spongy type texture, kind of like a rubbery, how would I put it? Just like a rubber sheet.
Like a rubber mat?
Rubber mat, something you can get some grip on. And this, just clay.
Okay.
Now that the car is all washed and finished, you can go ahead and dry it. Proceed with the Claybar. Now that the car is dry and finished, just make sure that the area that we're gonna test the Claybar on is fully dry. It's important to always wash your vehicle. The reason for that being is if you use your Claybar while the vehicle is still dirty, there's a very good chance that you're gonna end up scratching it with any debris that's on the vehicle. So always make sure that you wash it properly. First thing you wanna do, which I didn't do, is rinse the car and then use your soap and hand mitt and start washing away. Alright, now the car is nice and washed and dry, we put a yellow tape over the hood so I can show you the difference between Mother's Claybar and the daily Claybar that I be using. You always want to make sure that you use a solution that has enough lubricant so when the Claybar or the Mother sponge goes back and forth, it doesn't create any friction, causing it to slow down. Let's go ahead and test it out.
You can't really hear it on the video, but you should be able to hear. Once you use the Claybar, the panel should be smooth, and before using it, it will be rough. With the Claybar or the sponge, you can go lateral or you can go in circles, whatever you feel comfortable with. Just make sure you cover each end of the panel corner to corner. When using a Claybar or Mother's 2.0 sponge, it's always important to use body shine or soap and water when going over the panel to lubricate.
Difference that I'm noticing with this regular Claybar is that it doesn't leave any residue on any of the plastic trim, any of the edging on the fender, the hood, compared to this Mother's. clay bar. You can easily go over the edges without it tearing up anything, like which would happen right here. It's not leaving any residue, which would normally be left right here with this clay bar, which is something very, very cool. Less cleaning than you have to do once the job is done. You can see now you can't really hear anything. It's pretty smooth. Even a little bit sleeker, you can hear that. Same thing on this side. On this side though, you can see a little bit more of the orange peel, which is left by the clay bar. It is a little bit more aggressive from what I'm noticing. This one you don't see any of that because it is a lot smoother, but it's still leaving that sleek finish that you want on your vehicle before you hit it with any polishes.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Look at that. Actually, picture on there.
One thing that I always like to do is run a splash of water to see the water beat up and roll off of the hood.
It appears that the clay bar side is running down a lot quicker, which means that the panel has been cleaned and decontaminated a lot better with the clay bar. Although my 2.0 is doing a great job in this portion, I think the clay bar wins.
They're both very smooth. But like I mentioned before, you can definitely see that there's less markings on this side of the hood than there is on that side. That's because this is made out of a sponge that doesn't cause all those traction marks on there compared to the regular clay bar, which is a little bit more drier, which is understandable why it picks up dirt a lot more quicker. In my eyes, I would still use a clay bar. Why? Because it is more reliable. The only bad thing about it is that once it hits the ground, you shouldn't use it again. It's basically trash all over again. This, in the other case, you can just rinse it off. If it hits the ground, rinse it off and keep using it. This might last you about 5-10 cars. This looks like it could last about 20 cars, hopefully more than that. So the purpose of using both of these clay bars is to remove any overspray, tree sap, and contaminants that land on your vehicle as you're driving, whether it's parked underneath a tree, sitting outside while somebody's painting. Next thing you know, you go out there, your car's covered in overspray. Both of these will do that job to make sure that your clear coat is nice and smooth all over again. You gotta remember, always use a lubricant solution to use, whether it's the Mother Speed Clay 2.0 or your regular shop clay bar. Make sure you wash it as well. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on the page. Give us a subscribe. We'll let you know. We'll leave a link down there of the things that we're using. A like, so you can give it a try. See what you guys think about it. Give us that like. Woo, woo. That's the first video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's my first time making a video, so definitely give me that like.